Today's video is brought to you by Ladybug Paper Company.
Hey everyone, thank you for joining in once again. Today we are visiting our last UNESCO World Heritage Site here in Okinawa, Japan, and we are at Tamaudun, which is a royal grave site where the tombs of the king, queen, and the family members used to reside. I don't know where their remains have been moved to, or maybe perhaps they're still entombed in that area. Not too sure yet. We're just getting to the front entrance now. It is 300 Japanese yen a person, so about $3 Canadian. So that will get you in, and well, right now you're gonna get in for free. So enjoy the video. So we're gonna start off today by going to the guardhouse and giving you guys a little bit of information on that before we actually get into the royal mausoleum section, which is the main section of the site here. My initial thoughts are this is really big for a gatehouse or security house for them to live. You could tell they were quite important guarding the royal tombs, having a place like this. When it is close for Akane, it's close for me. Tamaudun is one of the 3 royal mausoleums in Okinawa. Built in 1501, this burial site was constructed to temporarily hold the past family members of the royal family living at Shuri Castle. Within this beautiful structure exists 3 rooms. In the easternmost room, the kings and queens were held. The princes and the rest of the royal family were held at the opposite end, in the western room. The central room was used for ritual purposes, where the bones would be washed and placed in elaborately carved urns, such as these. So once again, this is one of those sites that had to be restored after the Okinawan War and World War II. So it's good to see that they're using this money in order to make these historical sites significant again, something that people can go and see. So good on the Japanese government for that. Alright everyone, thank you so much for joining us on this short video, checking out the Royal Mausoleum here in Naha, which is the main city in Okinawa, Japan. I hope you guys learned a little something in this video, and I hope you like it. If you did, just let me know. Hit that thumbs up button. As always, if you're new, I want to say welcome. I hope you subscribe. We're going to be doing some amazing stuff here in my last few days of Japan, but then we're always on to the next adventure. So I hope you guys are ready for another new adventure coming up very soon. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching once again. See you in the next one.